Namaste viewers, I am back here. I am Rajkumar from Krishna Jewellers, Jubilee Hills, road number 36. I have come up with a new products that are displayed here. As you know, we are located near this metro station, Jubilee Hills, road number 36. These are the products what we have bought today for you all. I'll start with this Guttapusalu here. As we know, we'll get Guttapusalu in Kundan work, which were heavy in weights. This has come in a lightweight. You can see this green beads, ruby stones and pearls, KC pearls here. A deep Nakshi work here, peacocks with Caesar stone and emerald stone. This is 3/4 necklace. Can use it as a long necklace also when you have a small necklace on your. You can see the deep Nakshi in this. These are all ruby potas and emerald potas used for giving attraction to this. And you know this KC pearls. These are all emerald beads used. And there are peacocks on the sides where you had hangings with pearls. You can see the clear picture, clear design of it. If you go for this necklace in Kundan work, you will get it in around 250 grams to 200 to 250 grams. Whereas in this gold, Nakshi gold, you had 160 grams total weight, which is lightweight in 3/4 necklaces, you can say. See this Nakshi work, we had two peacocks on each, and coming to the next, we had single peacock and small mango har here, mango shaped pendant like this. This is totally a different one, which is lightweight. As you know, this is all hallmark gold and BIS hallmark. You can see the back descriptions also. You had neat finishing on this, whereas which doesn't stuck into your saris or any other dresses what you wear. This is all neat finishing and smooth finish. You can see all neat finishing in this. This is total weight is 161 grams and net weight is coming up to 133. Roughly comes up to 8.6 lakhs. You can see all the neat neat carving of peacock eye, peacock's feathers, and everything is neatly shown in this. Workmanship is neatly done here. And there is a difference in this. You had two peacocks, whereas you can see the differences. Like this peacock is different, and these two peacocks are different shaped. And in pendant also you had two peacocks which are clubbed together, giving a different shape to the pendant. Attractive design. Coming to the next necklace, this is all plain gold, where you had small stones used in this, ruby stones with emerald. In this also you had all peacocks only, but different shaped peacocks. This is all much into the gold. You had Lakshmi also in this. See, this is Lakshmi here with flowers shaped on the either side of the pendant. And you had small elephants in this. You can see this elephants here. Three on each side. You can see this elephants, like if you see keenly only you can find these elephants, whereas they are not seen directly. This is come up to the graduations from big to small. This necklace is all graduation from small to big. You can see how it is neatly carved. And in this pendant you had two peacocks on the top and Lakshmi Devi in between with small flowers. Full flowers, half of flowers in this, which has given a good look to the pendant with the necklace. This is totally handmade Nakshi work. This is totally a lightweight jewelry, you can say. As you know, you can see the back description also. This is also neatly done, whereas you don't find any ups and downs in this. This also doesn't stuck to your saris. It is also neatly shaped. And this is also hallmark gold. You can see the hallmark on this with our brand name KJPG. This is a hallmark symbol as well as our company's name logo. This is a totally a lightweight necklace which is 82 grams of total weight, and net weight will come up to 79 grams, and this will roughly cost you around 5 lakhs. As you know, we had some saving schemes in our store, that is Swarna Vriksha, as well as gold saving schemes, gold benefit schemes. This is Swarna Vriksha, whereas you can deposit into gram wise. This is also a 12-month scheme, that is also a 12-month scheme, in which here you have to fix for your 1 gram as per the grams in this. In that you have to pay for monthly 5,000 or 10,000 what you fix for it. In this you had a 12% percentage wastage waive off in this scheme. In that you will get one month bonus in it. Coming to the next necklace, which is flexible necklace and broad necklace with peacock and bottumala, bottus in this. You had same kundan work as well as plain nakshi work in it. This is totally a long haram. With peacock and bottus. This is again with the Lakshmi and peacocks only, in which one bottu had Lakshmi Devi, the other one with CZ stones and ruby stones, potas. This is also a flexible necklace. This is also a flexible necklace which can be used as Vardhanam also. This is weighing around 215 grams roughly, and net weight will be 182 grams. I'll show you how can it be used as a waist belt. See this is such a flexible that you can use it as a waist belt. This is little bit heavy but super fine. And this is a choker cum necklace. With same kundan work, nakshi work, and as well as some Guttapussulu like drops in this with emerald beads. This is V-shape, not totally a choker model, but it's a V-shaped choker which fixes to the any neck. It is such flexible, it fixes to any neck properly. You can see the detailing in it. This has a small Lakshmi and big Lakshmi with two elephants on the other side of the Lakshmis, as well as peacocks, and kundan work on the other side of Lakshmi. And you can see the drops with green emerald, which gives a different attraction to the necklace. There are two peacock different shapes given in this. This peacock is fully given and this is half peacock. This is weighing around 132 grams total weight and 114 net weight. The fixed chokers are regular designs. This is a different design given in this, which can be used as necklace as well as neck choker. Please do give your valuable comments on Krishna Jewellers Pearls and Gems, road number 36. These are our numbers, WhatsApp number as well as Instagram followers. 70933244141, and as well as you can follow us on Instagram and give your valuable comments on Instagram as well as Facebook. For more design, you can follow us and contact us on our WhatsApp number. We had some executives who can give you in detail. Coming to the next necklace. This is with Lakshmi and mango, a different one. You had Lakshmi as well as mango down the Lakshmi. In this you had total Lakshmi Devi with peacocks and some carving in the pendant. You had a mango with plain gold as well as stones. Two different designs in this, plain gold as well as stones. In this you had Lakshmi Devi with flower, which is with emerald stones, ruby stones and pearls. This is also a 3/4 necklace in lightweight. This is around 117 grams and net weight will come up to 103 grams. This is to set into your budgets. Nowadays there is a raise in gold prices, as you know, because of this wedding season. We have come up with a light jewelry with lower than 150 grams, which could be affordable to all the purchasers and looks heavy once you wear it. Coming to the tops, matching tops of this jewelry, you had jhumkas, chandbalis. This is a jhumka with same Nakshi work and green and pearl hangings in this. This will roughly weigh you around 55 grams. And this is a chandbali, which is lightweight, around 30 grams. You can see all this CZ stone work, pearls and peacock work. And we had a lightweight bangle pair of Lakshmi Kasu. You had with multicolor stones in this, ruby, emerald. This has a screw, openable. Size won't be a problem to wear. This each bangle will come up to 25 grams each. and pair will come up to 50 grams. This can be worn on any set which goes with this Nakshi work. Coming to the last, this is all CZ work jhumkas. This also has a peacock, ruby stone, emerald stone, CZs. This is of 33 grams total weight. This also has a neat finishing in it, which suits your any jewelry. Jhumkas are, as you know, traditional designs. This was our today's collection which I have shown you. Please give your valuable comments on Instagram as well as Facebook. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do comments on our Instagram as well as Facebook. Thank you. This is Raj Kumar signing off.